ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakhambnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai. Ka Omni Winter Beach Festival haka khat ar bat khat la 3 January ar hajar ar pusau hadangar balat East Khasi Hills District.
Ke Dr. Mizil Amrin Lingdo ke belong ke Menteri jangka Sorkar jela ke long baka Sorkar ke Khmihlynti baka sengking atiar Nyotrep National Liberation Council kampat dei setia ben pin kutno e ke Jingïakren Ïasuk bad hagaju ke por ke long ru bagi pat ba nong song snong jangka jela ke Khmihlynti ban yo i ke song suk song san. Hak Jingïakren mikla pathai kubor ke Dr. Amrin Lingdo ke long ru baka kam jangka Hnlc ke dei ke belashim ti du sembut menteri rangba jangka jela ubape ya ketanat kampo ye ngubak prestun tensong pan pentelun ni ke Jingïakren Ïasuk habang ke Sorkar jela ke Sorkar Bteng ber ke Hnlc.
Minute details that you are discussing cannot be discussed by us here. I am yet to verify this so-called allegation, and if letters of communications in black and white have not reached a certain communication, then maybe they are already in the process and due to reach them. The point here is that the manner in which this discussion is taking place is in itself erroneous. When you have been elected or appointed into any office of constitutional bearing, there should be some control in the manner in which we express ourselves, because we are all governed by law, established law, and this imagination of a WhatsApp message giving some sort of information to someone is beyond my comprehension and understanding, and I will not take it as law. I will not take it as standard procedure. Standard procedures are very clear, and these standards of procedures will follow the normal practice of official acts. Communication on this matter has already been indicated to certain media organizations. I believe there was a press release of some sort. This matter is to be handled by the Honourable Home Minister, who is also the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister of the state, who is at the moment indisposed and unable to attend to this important matter. However, having said that and put that in perspective, the NPP remains dedicated to advise its government to go ahead with this very crucial peace talk. We understand that there have been certain displeasures and misunderstanding which all yet have to be verified, and we will wait for the Honourable Home Minister to return to office very shortly, and he will surely be able to give you better insight. But I assure you that we as a party and we as a government are committed towards the progression of peace talks with this particular band outfit, and we would like to see that there should be an amicable understanding for long-term peace talks. I will not be able to disclose much on this matter because I am yet to be advised accordingly. However, at this point of time, this should be sufficient to explain the stand of the supporters of the NPP on the one side and the government of the NDA 2.0 in the leadership of our Honourable Chief Minister.